Hello, today we are going to learn how to start designing your app using the smartphone template. First of all, you need to download your smartphone template from ManageBack. When you download a file from the internet with your Mac computer, you will find the file inside the download folder. If you want to see the download folder, you need to go on your desktop, on the desktop of your computer, and choose on the top left menu, Go, and then Downloads. Here is your Downloads folder, and here you will find your smartphone template. I ask you please to move this file inside your Design Technology C course 2021. In this way, you just need to drag this file, move it with your mouse or the trackpad. As you can see, it is a PDF file. So in order to open it with Illustrator, you don't need to double click it. Please don't do this, because in this way it will open with another software. You need to select this file by just clicking one time on it, and then click again on the name of the same file, but keeping the Control button pressed. In this way, your computer will open a pop-up window, and you can choose the Open With function and then Illustrator. Now I will show you the template. The template has 3 artworks inside. The first one, as you can see, contains the shape of a smartphone, the front and the back. Don't worry, at the moment we are going to use only the front side of the smartphone, but the back it will be useful for you for the next lessons. In the second artwork, you can find the background I prepared for you, and you can use it to design your app, and you are allowed to change color and other aspects of this design. Also, I put here some example of button, and you can customize them as you prefer. In the third artwork, I want you to design your app, and I please ask you to design one screenshot of your app for each artwork. Another important thing about this template is that it's made with layers. You need to start being comfortable with the notion of layers. Layers, you can imagine them as transparent sheets of paper, put one over the other. If you want to see the layer, you need to go to Window and choose Layer Window. Mine window layers is here. In this file there are 2 layers, Design Your App and Smartphone Template. And with this eye, you can make something visible or not. I want you to lock the smartphone template layer when you are designing your app, because in this way you don't risk to move something you don't want to move. When you want to be on this layer, you just need to click here and design something. As you can see, if you design and you are on the Design Your App layer, all the graphics or shapes you draw are under the frame of your smartphone because the layer is on the bottom, Design Your App, and on the top there is the smartphone template. Let's zoom out so you can see all. Okay, you can bring the background here and copy it, pressing the button Command C, Command V, so you have another one. You can move it here behind the frame. The same thing you can do with button. Command C, Command V, copy and paste. And you can move the button here. Thank you.